Ladies and gentlemen, imagine discovering that something sitting quietly in your kitchen right now could transform your energy, your confidence, and your intimate vitality in ways you never expected. Imagine that the secret to stronger stamina, better circulation, and renewed passion isn't hidden in an expensive pill bottle, but in a simple, natural recipe that has been quietly used for generations. Today, we're talking about something many people feel embarrassed to discuss, yet almost everyone wants to improve: sexual health and endurance. Because the truth is simple: sexual vitality is not only about pleasure, it is about circulation, hormones, nerve health, and overall vitality. When these systems are strong, your confidence rises, your relationships deepen, and your body feels alive again. And the surprising hero of today's discussion: the humble banana. Bananas are far more than a sweet snack. They are packed with potassium, vitamin B6, natural sugars, and enzymes that support blood circulation and nerve function. Proper circulation is one of the most important factors for sexual performance and stamina. When blood flows freely through the body, energy increases and the body responds faster and stronger. But bananas also contain something incredibly important called bromelain, a natural enzyme that has been studied for its role in supporting testosterone production and improving circulation. Testosterone plays a crucial role in male vitality, confidence, and endurance. Now, here is where the simple recipe comes in. Take one ripe banana, slice it into a bowl, add 1 teaspoon of natural honey, nature's instant energy booster, then add a small pinch of cinnamon, known for supporting blood circulation and stabilizing blood sugar levels. Finally, mix in 1 spoon of crushed walnuts or almonds, rich in healthy fats and amino acids that support hormone balance. Mix it all together and eat this powerful blend 30 to 40 minutes before evening relaxation or intimacy. Why does this combination matter? Because the banana provides fast natural energy, honey fuels the body instantly, cinnamon helps blood vessels stay open and responsive, and nuts provide nutrients that support hormone production and stamina. Together, they create a natural synergy that supports endurance, circulation, and vitality. Many people notice something interesting after making this part of their routine. Their energy levels remain stable longer, their confidence increases, and their body feels more responsive. Instead of fatigue, they feel alert. Instead of hesitation, they feel ready. And here's an important truth: sexual vitality doesn't suddenly disappear with age. Often it simply weakens because the body stops receiving the nutrients it needs to support circulation, hormones, and energy production. When you nourish the body properly, you're not just improving one moment, you're supporting heart health, brain health, hormone balance, and overall longevity. Your body is incredibly intelligent. When given the right nutrients, it knows how to restore balance, improve energy, and enhance performance naturally. But knowledge alone changes nothing. Transformation begins with action. So tonight, instead of ignoring your vitality or accepting fatigue as normal, try something simple. Walk into your kitchen. Take a banana, add honey, cinnamon, and nuts. Give your body the nutrients it has been waiting for. Small daily habits create powerful long-term results. If you want stronger energy, better endurance, and renewed confidence in your life, start nourishing your body today. Because sometimes the most powerful solutions are not complicated, they are simply natural, consistent, and already within your reach. What if the real secret behind stronger stamina, better performance, and longer lasting energy had nothing to do with expensive pills or complicated treatments? What if the answer begins with something much more fundamental: the way blood flows through your body? Many people focus on quick solutions, but they overlook the most powerful biological factor behind sexual vitality: circulation. Every response in the body depends on blood delivering oxygen, nutrients, and energy to the tissues that need it most. When circulation is strong and efficient, the body becomes more responsive, more energized, and more capable of sustaining performance. Here's something surprising: the body's intimate response system is actually a circulation-driven process. When blood vessels expand and allow greater blood flow, sensitivity increases and endurance improves naturally. But when circulation is weakened, often because of stress, poor diet, lack of exercise, or dehydration, the body struggles to maintain that same level of responsiveness. Many people interpret this as a loss of vitality, when in reality, it is often simply the body signaling that it needs better support. Think about this for a moment. Your heart pumps blood thousands of times every day, pushing life through an incredible network of vessels that reach every corner of your body. If those vessels remain flexible and open, energy moves freely. But when circulation becomes sluggish, the delivery of oxygen and nutrients slows down, and the body cannot perform at its full potential. This is why foods rich in potassium, antioxidants, and natural compounds that support vascular health can make a remarkable difference. Now imagine strengthening the very system responsible for delivering energy and vitality. Natural nutrients found in fruits, nuts, and certain spices help support the relaxation of blood vessels and improve the body's ability to circulate blood efficiently. Even small improvements in circulation can translate into noticeable changes in stamina, responsiveness, and physical confidence. The fascinating part is that when blood flow improves, the entire body benefits, not just energy levels, but also heart health, brain function, and overall vitality. What if the real driver behind desire, stamina, and confidence isn't simply age or mood, but the invisible chemical messengers flowing through your body every second? These messengers are called hormones, and they quietly control some of the most powerful systems in the human body. From energy levels and muscle strength to motivation and sexual desire, hormones act like a master control panel. When they are balanced, the body feels powerful, focused, and responsive. But when they begin to decline or fluctuate, many people notice changes they cannot easily explain: reduced drive, lower stamina, slower recovery, and a fading sense of vitality. One of the most influential hormones in sexual health is testosterone. Although it exists in both men and women, it plays a particularly important role in male vitality, endurance, and performance. Testosterone helps regulate muscle strength, energy production, mood stability, and libido. When levels are strong and stable, people often feel more motivated, confident, and physically capable. But when lifestyle habits begin to interfere with hormone balance, the body can start sending subtle warning signals. Here's the surprising part: many everyday factors can influence hormonal balance more than people realize. Poor sleep, chronic stress, processed foods, and lack of physical activity can gradually disrupt the body's hormone regulation system. The body then produces less of the hormones responsible for energy and vitality. This shift doesn't happen overnight. It occurs slowly, often going unnoticed until the changes become more obvious. But the body also has a remarkable ability to restore balance when given the right support. Nutrients such as vitamin B6, magnesium, zinc, and healthy fats help the body produce and regulate hormones more efficiently. Foods like bananas, nuts, seeds, and natural sources of protein provide essential building blocks that the body uses to maintain hormonal health. These nutrients help support the glands responsible for hormone production, allowing the body's natural systems to function more smoothly and consistently. Imagine the difference when the body's internal chemistry begins working in harmony again. Energy rises, motivation strengthens, and the body responds with renewed vitality and confidence. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to have lasting stamina and steady vitality, while others experience sudden bursts of energy followed by exhaustion? The secret often lies in how the body produces and manages energy. Sexual endurance, physical strength, and overall performance are not powered by stimulants or temporary boosts. They are powered by the body's ability to generate stable, sustained energy. When energy levels remain balanced, the body can maintain focus, endurance, and responsiveness for longer periods. Here's the surprising truth: many people unknowingly sabotage their energy system by relying on sugary snacks, processed foods, or artificial stimulants. These sources create a quick spike in blood sugar, giving a brief sense of alertness, but the body soon crashes afterward. When this cycle repeats frequently, the body becomes less efficient at maintaining consistent energy. That sudden fatigue can affect everything from physical stamina to mood and motivation. Now imagine fueling the body in a completely different way. Natural foods provide a balanced combination of nutrients that release energy gradually instead of all at once. Fruits like bananas contain natural carbohydrates that the body can quickly convert into usable fuel, while also providing potassium and vitamins that support muscle function and nerve communication. This means the body not only gains energy, but also maintains better coordination and responsiveness. Adding natural honey introduces another layer of support. Honey contains simple sugars that the body absorbs easily, offering an immediate yet gentle energy boost without the harsh crash that processed sugar can cause. When combined with nuts such as almonds or walnuts, the body receives healthy fats and amino acids that slow digestion slightly, helping energy release in a more controlled and sustained way. Think about what happens when the body receives energy in this balanced form. Instead of a quick surge followed by fatigue, energy remains steady. Muscles continue to perform, concentration remains sharp, and endurance becomes more reliable. When the body is fueled with the right natural nutrients, it can sustain activity, maintain strength, and support longer lasting physical performance. Have you ever wondered how the body instantly reacts to touch, excitement, or emotional connection? What creates that sudden spark of sensation and awareness? The answer lies deep within one of the most powerful systems in the human body, the nervous system. Every feeling, every signal of arousal, and every moment of physical coordination begins as an electrical message traveling through a complex network of nerves connecting the brain to every part of the body. When this network is strong and healthy, the body becomes more responsive, more aware, and more capable of experiencing full sensation. Here's something fascinating. Sexual response is not only about blood flow or hormones, it also depends on how efficiently nerve signals travel between the brain and the body. When nerves communicate quickly and clearly, the brain can send and receive signals that trigger sensation, arousal, and coordinated movement. But when nerve health begins to weaken, often due to stress, poor nutrition, fatigue, or lack of essential nutrients, those signals may slow down or become less efficient. Imagine a highway where information travels at incredible speed. If that highway is clear and well maintained, messages move smoothly and instantly. But if it becomes damaged or blocked, communication slows down. The same principle applies to nerve pathways in the body. Healthy nerves allow the brain to interpret sensations more clearly and respond with better coordination and awareness. This is where nutrition plays an essential role. Certain nutrients are known to support nerve function and protect the delicate structures that carry electrical signals throughout the body. Vitamin B6, for example, is crucial for maintaining healthy nerve communication and helping the brain produce neurotransmitters that regulate mood and response. Potassium helps maintain proper electrical activity within nerve cells, ensuring that signals travel effectively. Antioxidants found in natural foods help protect nerves from oxidative stress, which can gradually weaken their performance. When the nervous system receives the nutrients it needs, communication between the brain and body becomes sharper and more efficient. Sensitivity improves, coordination becomes smoother, and the body can respond more naturally to stimulation and physical interaction. What if one of the most powerful factors affecting performance and intimacy isn't physical strength at all, but the state of the mind? Many people focus only on the body when they think about sexual vitality, yet the brain is actually the command center behind every response, every signal, and every moment of connection. Before the body reacts, the mind must first feel relaxed, confident, and engaged. Without that mental readiness, even a physically healthy body may struggle to respond at its best. Here's something that surprises many people. Stress and anxiety are among the most common hidden barriers to sexual performance. When the mind becomes overwhelmed by worry, pressure, or self-doubt, the body enters a protective state known as the stress response. In this state, the brain releases hormones such as cortisol and adrenaline. While these hormones are useful in moments of danger, they can interfere with relaxation, reduce blood flow, and disrupt the natural rhythm of arousal. Think about it for a moment. When a person feels calm and confident, breathing becomes steady, muscles relax, and the body naturally allows blood circulation and nerve communication to function smoothly. But when the mind is filled with tension or fear of failure, the body tightens, breathing becomes shallow, and the brain begins sending mixed signals that interrupt natural responses. Confidence plays an incredibly powerful role here. When a person believes in their own vitality and capability, the brain supports that belief by allowing the body to relax and respond naturally. Confidence reduces performance anxiety and strengthens emotional connection with a partner. This psychological comfort can enhance both physical endurance and overall satisfaction. Lifestyle habits also influence mental confidence more than people realize. Regular physical activity improves mood by releasing endorphins, the brain's natural feel good chemicals. Quality sleep allows the brain to regulate emotions and maintain hormonal balance. Even simple relaxation practices such as deep breathing or mindful awareness can calm the nervous system and reduce mental tension. When the mind becomes calmer and more self assured, the body follows that signal and begins functioning with greater harmony and responsiveness. What if the real secret to lasting vitality and stronger endurance isn't a miracle solution discovered overnight, but the small habits repeated every single day? Many people search for quick fixes when they notice changes in energy or performance, yet the human body doesn't transform instantly. It responds to patterns. The foods you eat, the way you move, the amount of sleep you get, and the routines you follow quietly shape your body's strength and responsiveness over time. Here's something powerful to understand: the body is constantly adapting. Every day, it is either strengthening or weakening depending on the signals it receives. When healthy habits are practiced consistently, the body gradually improves circulation, balances hormones, strengthens nerves, and maintains stable energy production. But when those habits are neglected, the body slowly begins to lose efficiency, and vitality may decline without obvious warning. Think about the incredible systems working inside you right now. Your heart is pumping blood, your brain is sending signals through billions of nerve connections, and your glands are producing hormones that regulate mood, energy, and desire. All of these systems depend on consistent support from nutrition, hydration, and movement. A single healthy meal won't transform the body overnight, but a pattern of nourishing foods can gradually rebuild strength and balance. Regular physical activity is another key element in this process. Movement improves blood circulation, strengthens the heart, and encourages the body to release hormones that support vitality and confidence. Even moderate exercise, such as walking, stretching, or light strength training, can activate the body's natural systems and keep them functioning efficiently. Sleep also plays a powerful role in maintaining long-term vitality. During deep sleep, the body repairs tissues, regulates hormone production, and restores the nervous system. Without proper rest, even the healthiest diet and exercise routine may not deliver their full benefits. When daily habits align with the body's natural needs, the transformation may begin quietly, but the results become increasingly noticeable as energy, stamina, and responsiveness gradually strengthen.